okay. Well, I'm not talking about me. But today, do you know all them stuff that I was doing? And the videos just uploaded. I'm going to be putting slime in stuff and squishing it and trying to like take him all out. And my favourite one from the other video was the Lucozade one. I really enjoyed taking it off because like, it's so satisfying when you actually took this off. It was literally so satisfying. But I'm going to do something different. Hold up. Actually, guys, I decided to do something. Not that. It was to get a Lucozade bottle, put the blue tack, the slime on there, then put another layer, and then keep on like taking all little bits off and making big layers. So I have no clue how that's gonna work out, but a little bit at a time. First one, number 1. Okay, now number 2. I'm not really gonna put that much on. Number 2. I'm going to see how much I can do. Comment down below right now. I'm not going to do it. I'll give you 10 seconds just to comment down below how many numbers it will do. 10. How many numbers will stack up? Of these will stack up on there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Thank you guys so much for doing it. So then let's go. So far I've got 2, 3. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's 4. So far, guys, I got 4 on there. It's actually been pretty quick. Look, I only need a little bit, guys, and it will stay on. I think this video is gonna go on for years. Number, I don't know. 1, 2. Number 5. That was number 5. I have no clue who that is right now. Yo, who's that? Who is that? So, this is block number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block number 6. Now I'm on to number 7. And yeah. Finish! That's how long it is. Pause the video right now and count it, guys. So don't worry about comment down below, but if you want to comment down below how many you see there, then if you're right, then I'll give you one of these signed by me. I know I'm not that famous, but I mean, yeah. So let's take them off and see how satisfying it is. So guys, right now I'm taking off the top. Oh, no, not that one. Oh, that wasn't really that satisfying. She just like came off and got just stuck. So this one, literally guys, I do not think that was satisfying at all. So number 10, oh, no, not number 10. That does not look like 10. So the one there failed. So let's take this one off. It's not satisfying. So I do not think that was satisfying either. None of these are going to be satisfying unless for like the last like 5 of them. That was a little bit satisfying. Watch. That's the. It's like when they do the tennis racket and it lift up, wasn't it? Comment down below if you agree with me, and like this video if you agree with me, and just doing that anyway. So I've took off 3 so far. That was enough. Watch. Look. Try to do a tennis racket again. Nope. Okay. So that was not satisfying. I think that was a fail too. So that was number 4. See that, guys? Look. Okay, I forgot I was on camera. So that actually took me quite a long time. That was number 5. I'm not really sure number 5 was satisfying. Number 6, no. Yeah. So I don't think number 6 or number 7 was satisfying. I mean, some of these are satisfying. I would say that was so, like, oh my god, that was so satisfying. I didn't think it was, like, so satisfying. I thought it was a little satisfying. It was, like, I don't even think that was satisfying. I think that was just, like, just nice to, like, watch it, like, lift up. Look. I want stag! Alright, oh, okay. Oh my word. I think, guys, the one with the, I think the ones with the more blue tack slime on actually lifts up better. So I think so. Let's take it off. It's really like a lot of stuff. What on earth is that? It was just tissue. Oh, Danny was probably blew his nose with that. Okay, got it. That's only though. See? Chill. Guys, that just literally mostly took off all of the bricks. Guys, that was really cool. Ah! I think I ruined it. See how much I can. Well, guys, so I just think that was like satisfying because literally, guys, I was like, wow, and just brought up the whole box. Literally, that was just. Oh. Guys, that was pen then. Ah! This aches my arm so much. So guys, that was guys, so that was the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, that's what I gotta say. Like, subscribe, share the video, and bye. Say bye, Ava. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.